Do you ever wonder how to implement artificial intelligence in your business? Well, it all starts with understanding the basics of AI. Artificial intelligence, often referred to as AI, is a branch of computer science that endeavors to replicate or simulate human intelligence in machines. It's not just about futuristic robots, it's about making existing technology smarter. AI capabilities extend to machine learning, computer vision, deep learning, and natural language processing. Each of these aspects serves to enhance the utility of AI in various sectors. However, AI also has limitations, and it's essential to recognize that it's not a magic wand to fix all business problems. Rather, it's a tool that, when used correctly, can resolve specific business challenges and provide demonstrable value. With a firm grasp of AI basics, you're ready to define your goals for AI implementation. Alright, so you've got the basics of AI down, right? Good job. Now it's time to figure out exactly what you want to achieve with it. So what's bugging you at the moment? Looking to smooth out those operations maybe? Want to dazzle your customers a bit more, or just give your products and services a bit of a makeover? Whatever you're after, make sure you tie your AI plans right back to these real-world results. Why is that so important? Well, for starters, it keeps you from veering off track. You see, the whole idea is to use AI as a way to specific problems and get real results, not just as some shiny new toy. Sure, AI is cool, but remember, it's a tool, not some magical fix-all. It won't solve all your problems overnight, but with a clear idea of what you want to achieve, it can totally make a big difference. So, take a moment. Picture what success looks like for you when it comes to AI, got it? Awesome. Now, with that clear goal etched in your mind, you're ready to work out just how much value AI can bring to your business. Exciting times ahead, right? So what's next, you ask? Well, it's all about sizing up the business and money-making potential of AI. And hey, we're not merely daydreaming about some sci-fi robots here. We're talking about real hard cash benefits. You might be wondering, how can AI actually beef up your operations? Can it really save you bucks, hours, or even resources? Imagine this. How about automating those boring tasks? This way your team can ditch the drudgery and concentrate on big picture stuff. Or even better, think about AI giving you an edge by delivering bespoke experiences to your customers. But here's the catch. You gotta be realistic and detailed. Pinpoint the potential return on investment for each AI initiative on your mind. Think about cost cutbacks, revenue boost, and efficiency leaps. But hold up, it's not all about the moolah. It's also about strategic value, like, how can AI help you wow your customers or leave your competitors in the dust? So, no more getting tangled in lofty, airy-fairy AI talks. Instead, zone in on tangible value. Hunt for AI applications that line up with your business objectives and have a definite route to financial return or strategic edge. You've weighed up the value. You can then sniff out golden opportunities within your business. Let's take a look at how AI can be your business's best buddy. You see, it's all about finding those golden opportunities where AI can work its magic and make a big difference. Let's say we're talking about managing risks. AI can be your own crystal ball, predicting possible risks before they happen, so you can dodge those potential bullets. And how about saving some green? AI is a pro at making things run smoother, handling those boring, repetitive tasks, and making the most of your resources. This you get to save some serious cash. Ever thought about how AI could be your secret weapon for innovation? With its ability to foresee and analyze, it can help you come up with new products and services that can rake in more profit and give you a leg up in the market. Now, scaling a business can be a big headache, right? But with AI, you can grow without the worry of costs and resources blowing up. And don't forget data. With AI, you're sitting on a goldmine of insights because it can crunch huge heaps of data like nobody's business, helping you make strategic decisions. So, once you've figured out where AI can step in and shine, you can shift your focus to building data fluency. Now, doesn't that sound exciting? Think of data as the superhero fuel for AI. Want to make your AI system super strong? Let's dive into the world of data fluency. First things first, you need to recognize that your data isn't numbers and facts, it's a treasure chest, the magic potion that makes your AI systems tick. Without it, they're as good as non-functional. So how can we get this magic potion, or rather, build data fluency? Kick things off by cracking out a killer data strategy. It's like your treasure map, guiding you on what data to scout for, how to securely tuck it away, and how to make it work wonders. Remember, AI systems love a good feast of high-quality data. The more, the merrier. Next, let's talk about your data hunting techniques. Are you gathering all the data your AI systems crave for? Are there blind spots you need to uncover? Answer these and you'll be sure you're hoarding the right data for your AI systems. Moving on, let's discuss data storage. It's like the vault where you keep your treasure. It needs to be safe and easy to access. This could mean using cloud storage or even having your own on-site servers. Lastly, let's chat about your data processing. It's like the chef preparing you need to clean your data, organize it, and prep it for your AI systems. The aim is to turn raw data a sumptuous meal that your AI can devour and learn from. With a robust data fluency under your belt, you're all set to pick the perfect AI solution. Ready to embark on this exciting journey? So, you're on a quest to find the perfect AI solution, huh? Well, you've got some homework to do. There's a whole universe of AI technologies out there, each with its own quirk and purpose. Are you looking to automate stuff, do some future gazing, or maybe jazz up your customer experiences? You'll find different solutions are great at different things, so it's super important to find one that syncs up with what you and your business need. And hey, don't forget to check out the providers too. The best in the business are not just selling you an AI solution, they're offering you a complete package with rock-solid solutions, 24/7 support, and regular updates to keep you at the top of your game. But the best AI solution for you isn't necessarily the one with the highest price tag or the most bells and whistles. Your perfect match is the one that fits your business like a glove, tackling your unique challenges head-on and putting you on the fast track to your goals. Once you've found your AI soulmate, it's time to assemble your dream team. Alright, ready to delve deeper into your AI adventure? Next, we're getting our hands dirty with something truly essential. Forming your AI dream team. No kidding, this is a big deal. Imagine, you're trying to a treasure chest. That's what artificial intelligence is, right? And for that you need the right key. That's where your team comes in. Now this isn't just your run-of-the-mill team. You need superstars, data scientists, AI pros, the works. They're the tech wizards who'll take your business puzzles and decode them into machine lingo. They'll make sure your AI fits into your current systems like a well-tailored suit. Got AI hiccups? They're your first port of call. Here's the thing, they're not just your backbone. They're the heart and soul of your AI mission. So let's not rush, okay? Take your time to pick a team that's not only tech-savvy, but also gets your business and its quirks. With such a kick-butt AI team, you'll be all set to train your AI model. Trust me, it's going to be epic. Alright, now comes the fun part. Training your AI model. This is where the magic happens, and it's pivotal for your AI project to shine. Think of your AI model as a bright student in a bustling classroom, eager to grasp knowledge. To learn, it requires a vast, detailed dataset. This dataset is like the world your AI will navigate, full of situations it might stumble upon in real-world applications. Sounds cool, right? Training your AI model is pretty much giving it this rich data buffet to feast on. It gobbles up patterns, relationships, and rules from this data. It's a bit like coaching your AI model to become the mastermind at making precise predictions and decisions. But remember, the quality of your dataset is key. It's like baking. Bad ingredients in, you get a bad cake. It's more than just quantity. Quality is super important. You want your dataset to be squeaky clean, spot on, and free from any bias. This is where your amazing team of data wizards and AI gurus steps in. They're like personal trainers for the AI model, working hand in hand with it, shaping it and refining it until it's on top of its game. And voila! Once your AI model is all trained up, it's ready to be the star player in your business operations. Alright, you've got your AI model all trained up. What's next? Well, it's time to weave it into the fabric of your everyday operations. And that's key, my friends. Now you might be wondering, how exactly do we do that? Great question. It's about helping your AI become part of your day-to-day. First things first, check out your current systems and processes. You might need to shake things up a bit, maybe tweak your software or hardware, or perhaps even switch up your team's working style. Remember, we're not looking to replace humans with AI, we're aiming to empower them. So make sure your team knows their way around AI tools. Then you want to make the big switch as smooth as possible. This might involve running your AI model alongside your current operations for a while. It's like a safety net, helps you spot and fix hiccups before they become headaches. Now lastly, cut yourself some slack. It's okay if it's not smooth sailing right from the get-go. The important thing is to learn from these hiccups and get better. Once you've got your AI model in the mix, don't forget to keep tabs on how it's performing. Alright, let's dive in. So we've made it to the final step in AI implementation where we really get down to the nitty-gritty. It's not just about putting an AI solution out there and crossing our fingers. No, we're more hands-on than that. We're going to watch it like a hawk, seeing if it's doing its job and delivering the goods. How do we do that, you ask? By coming up with key indicators, or KPIs. These are tailor-made to your business goals, and let us measure the nitty-gritty stuff like cost savings, efficiency boosts, sales jumps, or whether your customers are walking away with a big smile on their face. And here's the kicker. AI isn't a static tool, it's dynamic, it's learning, by monitoring it, we get chance to keep tweaking it, making sure it's always at the top of its game. This isn't a one-time rodeo, my friend. It's a continuous cycle of implementation, watchful monitoring, evaluation, and fine-tuning. It's more of a thrilling journey than a one-stop destination. And the payoff? A ton of benefits for your business. By sticking to these 10 steps, you'll be opening the doors to AI in your business. And let me tell you, it's got the potential to skyrocket innovation, efficiency, and growth. Now, isn't that something you want to be a part of?